Thanks to Burton Racing. Go check out those guys, burtonracing.com. AEM stuff now and Honda. So they help me out. I appreciate them. They are the ones sponsoring this video today.
And now you chest bump.
Oh. Let's do it.
Okay.
Noise. Sick. That's going in for sure. Alright guys, here's the old Corrado. Maybe we can mess with the motor mounts. Oh, you guys don't know about those. Alright, back in the old hot rod with CRB. Something may have just flew out of the doors, I'm not sure. Still floating? I wonder if I should pull all the way up to the shop. I wonder if it would stay together. I don't know if we can turn sharp enough. I think that's it. I just wanted to get it closer to the garage. Dude, it worked out.
Dude, it worked
really well. Dude, it worked out way better than I thought it would be.
There was a couple moments when it started swinging and I got a little bit worried. But...
Trey's first ride in the CRB. Awesome. Oh, there's rock right there. It's funny. It's just an automatic, no door CRB. And then when you have a field, you can do whatever you want.
Dude, the like stabilization stuff going on inside this thing is crazy. Like we were going,
Is it working super good?
Yeah, we were like bouncing and the video looked smooth. What are we doing here today, Tyler?
We gotta get to the garage because we gotta get rid of this giant behemoth of an ABS system. All this wiring from the ECU, it's gone because it got custom wiring. Thanks to Burton Racing. Go check out those guys, burtonracing.com. AEM stuff now and Honda. So shout out those guys. Go check them out. Link in the bottom. Check their website out. Tell them we sent you, that we appreciate them supporting us in this. Because this is going to have a full standalone 4-cylinder AEM system with a custom wiring harness. So I'll have unlimited K-swap capabilities with this wiring setup. But first, we got to get this old crappy yucky thing up there, clean the engine bay, get junk out, get crappy Volkswagen wiring out here. Get out of here, Volkswagen. We want Honda stuff. But we just gotta get there. So Trey's gonna drive the car and we're gonna try to get it on the garage pad.
All right. Woo! We're film amateurs. Trying to figure out how to use a GoPro.
The brand new one.
Yeah. GoPro 8, baby.
Nice.
Dude, I just love the body. The body is sick.
It's super cool. It's a weird hatchbacky two-door. Like ever since he got one and like I saw it, I was like, no way, I love this car.
This car is so cool.
And then I had the opportunity to get this one. And then I had the crazy idea, I was like, oh, I was going to K-swap. Hey, I got this. You want? I'm like, heck yeah. And then I thought about it. I found one on the internet, maybe two, who's done it. I'm like, dude, that'd be cool. Like kind of custom Volkswagen Honda love connection. Gotta hold that piece. Oh
my gosh.
So that's one of the things I want to fix. And the sunroof is off track. I like to do a delete kit.
I mean that's quite an advanced anti-theft system you got.
I'll get all the parts out. I literally have a car full of parts that they left. Like they took it all out, they just threw it on the seat. I'm like, how dare you guys? Man, we're just discovering new stuff every day. I went and got a key. Figured out the GoPro was not working. And the cool handle extends. Probably can't see it because it's so stable. But it's awesome. Yeah. Okay, we're going. He's ready. I'm ready. We drive the CRV. Okay, there we go. We're good. It like rolled up on it, and when I was pulling, it like was pulling the car towards me. I don't know what's hanging. Exhaust, fuel line and stuff. There's all kinds of stuff hanging under there.
Success!
And now you chest bump.
Oh.
Let's do it!
Okay.
Noise! Sick!
That's going in for sure.
Yeah, just hang this on your wall.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Alright.
Oh, I should put a Honda symbol here.
Oh, that'd be sick.
Like make an H inside the W.
Or we can hop on the good old Photoshop and make a
3D
Volkswagen
print.
Honda like hybrid and
Yeah.
then 3D print one.
Dude, that'd be cool. There's like all kinds of stuff that was just like tossed in here. Timing belt covers. That's the supercharger. But they dropped it and broke it. Look at the piece. There's like a blown out piece on the side for the blow off valve.
Yeah.
The pressure regulator. They dropped it and broke it. I wanted it for the supercharger. I thought it'd be cool to try to attach it to the Honda. Dude, look at it. This thing is freaking huge. That motor is ginormous. We're just getting out all the parts. Trying to figure out what's really in here. Oh, I like the cover. Has the rear trunk cover. That's cool. How does it fit in there?
Huh.
Oh, dude. Check this out. More air fresheners. Body panels.
Plastic welding kit. Construction.
All kinds of stuff. Oh, dude, check it out. Bro.
Oh yeah, look, there's the
You got the arms?
they're right up there. They're wooden.
Dude.
Snapped.
Look. We have forks and money.
That's what the raccoons used to eat, man.
Raccoon. Don't. They just got a fork.
Oh, I got some dead bees.
Nice.
It's always a plus.
Ton of trash.
They died protecting the Corrado.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Is this a wrench? Check it, check it, check it. Dude, got a wrench. More tools.
Yeah, 7/16 ratchet head. You know, these guys lost a lot of tools.
Well, we did find another socket and an extension up there before I put my tools up there.
Oh, this is why we get the cars. Pins.
Yes.
It's all about the pins.
Dude, I'm going over some plans. Trying to figure out what we're going to do in here. So the wiring in this thing is a nightmare. So we're going to just start with some of the interior stuff. Here's just an example of the rat's nest. Anyways, we have a plan. So we're going to start with the plan. We're going to start on this stuff. Hopefully the GoPro's been good. It's all new footage. It's all a test run. So you can let me know in the comments if the GoPro is good or not, or what will make it better. Because this is all new. Hopefully the mic's working great. And we're going to start working on ripping out the insides right now. And getting rid of the old wiring. So that's what we're going to do right now. In this 100-degree weather outside. Woo! And my shade broke. Freaking flew away. Broke the other legs. And then we can't even have shade. And my garage doors aren't quite working. So I can't quite get into the garage yet. So why are we saved? Got a box of parts we took out. Here's the next phase of cleaning out the wiring harness. Mess and ECU and stuff we don't need in here. Cleaning up all the cat litter and the fire damage. Getting the engine bay prepped for testing of engine mounts. So that should be sweet. Alright guys, so thanks for tuning in to this episode. We are working on the Corrado. The old K-swapped Corrado. So make sure you like, subscribe, continue to follow along because there's tons going on with it. We moved it up to the garage, so we're getting a little more serious. We got parts flowing in. Motors here, trans showing up, clutches here, engine standards here, ECU and wiring should be here next week. All of it should be coming, and it's going to be awesome. So make sure you tune in for more from Wide Open Throttle Garage and this Volkswagen K-swap series because it's been pretty fun and it's a really cool little car. We're starting to like it even more now we're working with it, even with the German quirks, but that's okay because it's going to have a Honda engine. Alright guys, we'll see you later.